Union Minister Sukanta Majumdar addressed the ongoing flood situation in West Bengal, criticizing Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee for her repeated claims that the floods are man-made. He questioned what initiatives her government has taken to address this issue, arguing that they have done nothing significant to mitigate the problem. Majumdar pointed out that due to lack of funds, the state government has failed to conduct necessary repairs on the dams. He challenged the government's assertion of not receiving financial support from the central government, asking whether any proactive measures have been taken on their part. Regarding the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital rape murder case, he stated that the Central Bureau of Investigation is currently looking into the matter, emphasizing that the effectiveness of any investigation relies heavily on the availability of evidence. He noted that without adequate evidence, no agency could deliver justice. Majumdar also mentioned that 2 arrests have been made in a related corruption case, expressing confidence that the investigation is progressing in the right direction.
Every time they get flooded, but the thing is that, and Mamata Banerjee used the same word every year, it is a man-made flood, it is a man-made flood. But if it is a man-made flood, you know in the next year also this man-made flood will happen. Then what initiative have you taken to counter this man-made flood? Last 1 year, ask Mamata Banerjee whether have you taken any action or any letter you have written to the ministry or the Jharkhand government to counter this. They did nothing. Even you ask the common people, even they did nothing in case of the dams, because the dams are, it's the old dam, they are getting older. So you need the kind of work, repairing work, some siltation happen, to lift up the siltation is very much necessary to make the capacity, to maintain the capacity of a dam. But the West Bengal government, due to the lack of money, they did nothing, and that's why this kind of flood is happening.
Then why she is repeating the same cause?
Nothing but the political stance, political standbaji, because she did nothing. Even she had not implemented the Ghatal master plan. They are not getting. They are telling that they are not getting the money from the central. At least they have taken some kind of initiative. Have they taken any kind of initiative? Nothing has been taken by them.
What would you like to say regarding the future of this RG Kar incident? Adit Chandra also alleged that she is not satisfied with the investigation done by the CBI.
The CBI is doing the investigation, but the thing is that investigation, any kind of investigation, that depends upon the availability of the circumstantial evidences. No agency can deliver justice if the evidences are not there, and if the evidences are not available. Here also, as mentioned by the Tushar Mehta, the counsel of the CBI in the Supreme Court, the tampering has been done with the evidences of the RG Kar incident. Even almost 1,000 footprints were recovered by CBI from the occurrence place. So